Alright, today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a 2014 Toyota Rav4. First thing we're going to do, open the glove box, disconnect the damper. So we're just going to grab that and pop it off. Then we squeeze in the sides of the glove box so we can disconnect it and then put it down. Okay, this is where the cabin filter is. I'm just going to reach back here, push that in, push that out. Sorry, I'm trying to do this so you can see. This comes off. The writing on this one is on the side, so we're going to match the arrows for airflow down. Okay, so we slide that in. Pop this back in, like so. We're going to line up this hinge. And then we're just going to pivot this back into place. Make sure that snaps in. Give it a squeeze. And then push the damper back on. And that's it. All right, so we got that old dirty filter out of here. That'll improve the air quality of inside the car. So in this case, this was the part number CAF 1816M for the 2014 Rav4. And so, as you can see, this literally just takes a couple minutes. You can do it yourself. Cabin filters aren't too expensive, so hopefully this will give you some confidence to be able to take care of this little bit of maintenance yourself. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and until the next video, see you later.